Willie D Live.
What's up, family? In what seemed like a child custody case in Oklahoma, an attorney who identifies as transgender got into a bit of an altercation, one might say, with the judge, resulting in him being handcuffed and arrested. Effectively, he was in contempt of court. And check this out, family. The whole transgender thing, I was wondering, why is all of these headlines saying trans attorney? Why not just say attorney? Well, it turns out that the attorney blamed the judge for being biased because he's trans. Check it out.
You to the exact paragraph. It's her education.
Stop.
Because you don't want to hear what the argument is.
Stop. You interrupt me one more time, you are being held in direct contempt of court, and
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
wipe that smirk off.
I don't have a
your face.
smirk on my face.
Oh, yes, you do.
I do not.
I am not going to tolerate this from you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Fill out the request, get the form from our court clerk's office on the second floor, make sure it comports with what you've got already, get it filed, mailed in, whatever you need to do. Let us assess her request. If it's
My client's not seen her child. There is no order in this court, and there's been no jurisdiction found that this court has jurisdiction over this child who has never lived in your county.
You just interrupted
Never
again.
lived.
You
I did
just
not.
interrupted.
There was a pause. There was a break. I wasn't done with my argument.
And I was not done with my statement. You interrupted again. Do not throw your...
I did not throw. It fell off the bench. Please stop stating things that are not true, ma'am.
Sir, you've got a room full of witnesses.
I do. I put it down. I did. I put it down and it fell down. I did not fall.
Then settle down.
I'm not upset and I'm not arguing. You're not letting me make an argument. I'm not red in the face, ma'am. I'm not.
Stop. Our court reporter cannot get what we're both saying.
I am trying to make my argument. You interrupted my argument halfway through
This
on
is
an
a panic
objection.
button that will get every available deputy in
Yes, ma'am, I'm aware. It's happened to
You're
me before.
interrupting. It has.
Yes.
Because you're out of line
Yeah,
with court.
I guess so.
Okay. If I push that
Or maybe
button,
because I'm a transgender attorney practicing all over the state.
I don't know what you are.
You do, ma'am. It's not, you do.
I don't know whether
You do,
you're
ma'am. You
transgender,
do. You
other
do.
than you have just now
No,
advised me,
ma'am,
and
you
that
do.
doesn't have
You
anything
do.
to do
It's happened when we
anything.
talked on the phone.
The judge is trying to be careful. She really want to go all the way in. I don't know what you are. No. She really want to go all the way in. But she's thinking about that license.
I am not going
My argument halfway through
This
on
is a
an
panic
objection.
button that will get every available deputy in
Yes, ma'am, I'm aware it's
appropriate.
You were yelling
or
at
so,
me and I did not even know you were the judge.
And I didn't know you from Adam.
I
at
said,
that
my name
point.
is Rob Hopkins. I'm
Which
an
doesn't
attorney
mean
in
anything.
Oklahoma City.
No, sir, you did not.
Okay,
Okay?
there's no one there to know that, right?
Okay. So we are pausing this until you get the ADA request form filled out and it gets processed.
So we're going to pause the hearing on jurisdiction that's been set twice. I drove an hour and a half to have the hearing. My client's available telephonically, and we are simply not even taking testimony.
Is your client available telephonically?
Yes, ma'am.
today?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, then get her on the phone.
Thank you.
Your Honor, to which we would object. This is as clear as the nose on my face that this woman will not appear before this court because she has a warrant for stealing her
Objection,
children from another
hearsay. That's
court.
not true. And you're ready
You
to
will find, sir,
Don't
that
put at me and
over me.
or shout at me.
I'm not putting down zero.
No, we're stopping.
Get out of my face,
I've been doing
sir.
it for a long
Get out of
time.
my face, sir.
You may step
Get
back.
out of my face.
You should leave this county.
Get out of my face. Get out of my
These
face.
people are my friends and you're being ugly.
And get out of my face.
Put your hands behind your back.
Why?
Because you're in direct contempt of court. and I'm
He
taking
shouted at me. No, I'm not being, you did not even say that I was in
You are
contempt.
in direct.
No, I'm not
Judge,
doing
I
my stuff.
apologize, but I felt very threatened by this person. The screaming and the yelling in court, I've never even heard that before in this courtroom.
Do not hurt me. Do not hurt me.
Your hands behind your back.
Do not. Are you throwing me over this?
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Okay, put your hands behind your back, stop resisting.
You know exactly what's happening.
All right, fam, before it turn up, it's about to turn all the way up. But I just want to say this really quickly. This guy arguing with the judge, he knows he's out of pocket. These judges consider these courtrooms like their house. This is my courtroom. This is proper decorum. You do not raise your voice at the judge. You don't go back and forth at the judge. And a lot of these judges, most of them, almost every single one of them, they're arrogant. They're very obnoxious at times, and they're bullies. And it's their courtroom, and they pretty much run it like they want to run it. And if attorneys want to get a judgment to go in their favor, they got to kind of kiss up to the judge. You know what I'm saying? They got to swallow their pride a whole lot of times. And this guy, even though he was trying his best to be respectful at times, he just couldn't help himself. And then he pulled the trans card. Oh, you're only doing this to me because I'm trans. Now, seems like they're in a small town. Maybe she was, maybe she wasn't. I don't know, but he obviously was a visitor. He said he drove for an hour and a half to get there. That meant that, you know, he wants some type of resolution. You know, he don't want to come out there all the way for nothing. So I can feel that. I feel that driving all the way out there just to get another reset. I got that. So he's mad about that. However, you know that was a possibility. You knew that was a possibility before you went out there. And when you went out there, you now are on visitor's turf. And everybody in that courtroom are familiar with each other. The judge, the prosecutor, and those officers who got hands on him right now and who's about to turn all the way up. So that's something that you got to be mindful of. This reminds me of Cousin Vinny, and we can get into that later.
That way sometimes.
I can't walk. I'm being thrown down.
Just stop, settle down, walk that way.
Settle down. Do not grab me. Do not grab me. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're hurting me. You're hurting me. You just hit me. You just hit me. Don't hit me. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Put your hands behind your
I
back.
cannot breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't Help! Somebody call 911. Please. 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 Please.
Maybe secure.
Ow! 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 Somebody call 911! Somebody call 911! Somebody call...
They got your phone now.
No! No!
All right, we're gonna pick you up. Roll on the side.
No, I don't. Get a female officer now! Get a female officer now! Get a female officer
There
now!
aren't any. Come on.
I can't get up, I can't see! He just threw my glasses! I can't see! Give me my glasses!
They're being.
Put them on my face!
No.
Put them on my face, I cannot see!
Go.
Please give me my glasses, I cannot see! I'm not trying to walk and I cannot see. I need my wallet.
Thanks, Robert. Thanks, guys.
I'm trying to walk.
Okay. Let me tell you something, fam. The most interesting part of this whole video was the look on the opposing counsel's face. I had to capture that, man. Say, man, the way Buddy was looking like, man, what's up? Man, what you talking about, man? Man, say, man. Buddy is, hey, look, man, Buddy a drama queen. You know, she's a drama queen. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Drama queen, drama queen. Like, and the judge, the judge was pretty calm. The judge was pretty calm, but the judge did show that that button that would summon the deputies, and Buddy, took it for granted. Buddy was like, he called a bluff. Like, I dare you to push that damn button. The next thing you know, ding ding fries and shake. But it was like, I can't breathe. Get my glasses, put them on for me. Put them on me. I get the can't breathe part. That's serious, because I don't know if you couldn't breathe or not. But get my glasses and put them on for me. I bet you Buddy been doing this type of thing her entire life. I bet you it's been a drama queen the entire time. But you know what? At the end of the day, that's an easy $5-10 million, because he got backup to get that money. Oh, you better believe they are going to be all the way behind him. He's a lawyer, so he knows all of the LGBTQ advocates out there, legal advocates, and he gonna get that money. Oh man, they'll shut that whole courtroom down. Oh yeah, he about to collect. Let me see. Well, it depends on how big the town is. I'm not sure. If it's a small town, I say he'll probably get at least. He's gonna get at least a few $100,000. Easy. But what say you, fam? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this one. No more talk.